Government College along state level inter-college debating competition ke padupon. KSA Difu Government College Unit atum arpu kecelar. Korkanti constituency ke paro dokmuka pensa milang so kaceling atau akile ke bang era jokrat atum kitam ke bang apan thedung akatora kacetong na. Kardom Karbi prime time long penili junaliti mungpi non birdang ton pen arjuik tha. Gandhi Jayanti Aparman Difu Government College long state level inter college debating competition ke padu ningkan pharoi sirap hokep angdeng det pia pusar Mahatma Gandhi pirthek kahache long pacheton dunsi preisiani Difu Government College long Gandhi jia puthak lam thamamate debating kechepate padosi det pia pusar amahang ke thek arning katalon ajaimek pangcheng. Difu Government College peningkan pharoi sirap hokep angdeng det pia pusar Mahatma Gandhi amahang ke thek arni along pacheton dunsi preyachik lokecheng siani college along contribution of Gandhiji only had been fully instrumental for achieving India independent aputhak lam thamamate debating chepate padu.
All of you for sparing if you are really broad-minded.
Principal Nirab Kumar Sharma arideng pen kang pula suka chepate along Karbi anglong a college pen ang pada di mahasa college atum nang chepate dun lam thama ka chepate adi Difu Government College lapen Assam University Difu campus athan bang kuru atumsi lang pang chingpon kachepate ke hai abang pubang pia tumapan prehiniani Difu Government College along kepadoji Gandhi Jayanti ahuchi nong e pajirji pusi than bang NK Bhuyan pen card new sapherang ke aphan than bachini.
Two parallel prizes and this goes to Priyanka Borov Moiwang Degree College.
Karbi anglong police lapen Trinity Hill Society NGO tumpen chirap cheto dunsi Swasth Bharat Mission pen patir piponsi plastic free nation pathe PN pen chiti ni phai thom ke pani Difu rong supia hithialong por phai pho apor pen street play ke paman pona bieta card news sahamalong bieta rang pale. Difu police outpost atheng no Difu rong supia hithialong plastic free nation pathe PNC street play ke paman pon along Karbi anglong SP Gaurav Upadhyay DSP Nahid Karisma in charge Difu outpost Karbi anglong police society pula pen Trinity Hill Society along Klembang Pubang Piatum Chetong Dunsi Jaimek Pesen pen Pachun Pon.
इसे गलाना से हमारे शरीर को बचाते हैं तो इसलिए
Difu Government College along KSA Difu Government College Unit atum arpu kacelar abirta preni phai isia ni kat news sa hemalong birta nangle. Difu Government College along kaita kacharli atumon ke messenger phan aprang penta KSA Difu Government College Unit atum pen arpu kacelar asai patupon. Arpu kacelar along Kadokawe Difu Government College along Charlie Ariso ijang atuman chingrum si arpu kacelar tu lason si jirsong timung aphan mai pula ben pin po teron aphan kong chunbang arpu pekpon. Lason tak si prek jam arpu kimia tumapan pekpon si Difu Government College along Kithirthip KSA Unit padupon. Non malom so porapan birta moing ton peksena.
Chloride Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben warsai kemi kipipon. Lasila sonawar sai kemi along ninghangatum ali chuan dunik tha. Warsai kemi laki chiklo jontro kapan kapamala seke piponji. Lasi apor panhok hipin pen Chloride Unisex Beauty Parlor along patebok damiknon rong parbi rong berot near Iron Bridge Difu Karbi anglong. Lasilan Suseka Chinile Thoji Aphan Laswa number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon. Kanj Shopping Mall is a gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi, Assam.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Difu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Dihina mo piputot birdalong wangtulo. Korkanti constituency ki parlo dokmoka pensamilang so kachileng ator akili kiwak edajok kidam kiwang aphan pinanganak kisung kachicak nang abirta prenipai siani phirang kepen birta nang pale. Dokmuka rong sopi ward number 1 Karbianglong Autonomous Council emra jutiso ahem atheng no pen amat PWD atowar kiwak pinangan ajak kiding thek ponlong labang so atowar kiwak edajok arwi jang no te lang bung lapeding han ajosi korkanti arat atum cheleng nanglo. Lasilabang so puthak korkanti MSC constituency MSC mate Karbianglong Autonomous Council emra jutiso lapen Karbianglong Autonomous Council kachari pariwartan asarkar kachingthur amoki claim kilak ledet asarkara tumbang so kiwak et atawar tongsikot pen claim monsi mesen kachiling atawar kipaman jiaphan kachuning ripado. Difu Manja kachiling atawar piakung electricity board adung along prenipai isiani langni TVS motor showroom kang pupona birta pherang kepen birta nang pale. Difu Manja kachiling atawar piakung electricity board adung along akimi TVS motor showroom kang pu labang so showroom along scooty pen chenglok kaprek kaprek amotor sitami la so showroom along long ponji pusi chinidun. Prenipai isiani ani keme pincong si kanya teron arideng pen kang pupon along terona hemtun isiatum cetong dun rinti. Karbi prime time ang kila pons kang ton pegla do methak me ruang tu.